Hello, hi, it's Sharon here from the Energy Recovery Program, and I just wanted to create this video for you today to share with you some information and some self-help tips about how you can resource your energy in this at this time. Okay, as I'm recording this video, we've just come into a new moon in Scorpio, and we're also in the Scorpio sun energy. Within our system of Jing and Jyutsu, which is a physiophilosophy, an ancient art of harmonizing life energy in the body, beautiful, simple and complex system of healing. Within this system, for every astrological sign, there's a corresponding organ which goes along with that. And at this time, the organ and energy which is associated with Scorpio is the kidney energy. And the kidney energy is very much connected with our physical energy in the body, and it's an energy system which we can really get to know to bring more vitality through to our everyday life. The message of Scorpio at this time is I transform. So this is a time for deep transformation if we choose to work with that. And in the way that we can work with that within our bodies to harmonise it is ever so simple, as it is with everything that we do in Jing. The application of it is actually very simple. Sometimes the story behind it can be quite complex, but the application is really simple. What I really feel pulled to share particularly is that the kidney energy holds a very special place in our bodies, and a very special place within Eastern Oriental philosophy, as it's connected with a particular frequency of energy which is known as Jing. And Jing energy is one of what are called the three treasures. We have Jing energy, we have Qi, which is much more known about, and we have Shin. And the Jing energy is our ancestral energy, it's our prenatal Qi, it's kind of what we come in with. It's our ancestral Qi, and it's in a finite source. It's not really possible. We only get a certain amount in this lifetime. And once our prenatal Qi has run out, if you like, that's it. So it's a kind of energy that we need to really learn to cultivate and to nourish. And that's really what I want to share with you today, ways that you can nourish that. There's a lovely way of sort of understanding how that is in the body. It's been described as the Jing energy, as I say, it's the prenatal Qi, it's what we come in with, and it's lightened. If you think about a candle being lit, it's like the container for the candle and the wax and the wick, the foundation is the Jing energy. That's like the container. When you light the candle, when you light that, the flame is the Qi, which is the bit that we kind of mostly connect with. And then the Shen is the more spiritual aspect, and that's the radiance that comes from that. So by working with our Jing energy, we're helping to sort of really strengthen and nourish that foundational piece. Okay, so there's lots of ways we can do that. Within Jing, we do actually have a kidney energy flow, which I'm going to show you now, how you can do the first step. If you'd like to know more, you can always contact me, and happy to organise a session with you where I can take you through the more complete process. But for now, the way that you do this on yourself is you're not going to see all of this because you can only see this part of me, but what you do is you place I've taken my right hand and I'm placing it on my left little toe. So I've basically crossed my leg and I'm just holding my left little toe with my right hand, okay? If you can't reach your left little toe, that's fine. You can go to your left knee, okay, instead. You can just hold the knee instead. Okay, so I'm holding my left little toe. My hand that's free, I'm just placing on the top of my pubic bone. So just finding a a comfortable hold, dropping the shoulders and breathing out. And that's it. You're just literally, as in with all things in Jin Jitsu, we're just creating that circuit of energy. Okay, so if you want to give yourself that gift to nourish your kidney energy, then I invite you to just try this for yourself. Yeah, just spend a few minutes. If you can do this every day, maybe for the whole of this lunar cycle, and see how that helps you, that can be quite a revitalizing gift to give ourselves. Okay, so you just literally just hold those two energy locks, and then perhaps once you've changed, if you want to change over, you just do the opposite. So I'm just taking my opposite hand, the opposite little toe on that hand, top of the pubic bone. That's it. Okay, so that's one way to give yourself a kidney flow, or the first step rather. Another way that you can do that is to go to the index finger, okay, and just simply hold the index finger, drop the shoulders, and breathe out. And this is the real beauty of the study and practice of Jin Shin, is that we can always keep coming back to the fingers, and it will always help something. Okay, so the benefits of giving ourselves a kidney flow are working with that very deep inner wisdom of the body, helping with the flow of emotions, particularly to releasing fear, as fear is stored in the kidneys, within this system. Also helps us with mineral balance in the body, especially distribution of calcium through the system, so that we don't accumulate incorrect minerals within our system. Very, very important for the immune system, with our immunity, and also reproductive energy. The time of Scorpio and the kidney energy is also connected with sexual energy and sexual and reproduction. So to help nourish and bring more harmony to these systems, then working with the kidney energy is pretty key. Okay, there we go. And within the Western system, it's also connected with detoxification. Okay, so there we go. I just invite you to just experience that for yourself. A few other ways that you can nourish your kidney energy. Make sure that you keep your system warm, keep your body warm, and gently increase your intake of liquids. Make sure you're having plenty of liquids, water especially, and also salt. Make sure that you're using a very good natural salt, like a Himalayan salt or a Celtic sea salt, rather than table salt, which is not very tolerated by the system. But not too much salt, but just increasing salt intake a little bit. You might actually find that right now you're craving salty foods. And I'm going to put as well a link to a particular article which is quite useful about certain foods that you can eat. The colours that are associated with the kidney and the paired energy of the bladder are blue-black colours. So foods which are those colours are particularly good to eat, especially black beans are amazingly rich source of nutrition for the kidney energy. And if you can get hold of it, black seed oil is amazing. Just a teaspoon of that a day, or a couple of teaspoons of that a day. Extraordinarily beneficial for the kidney energy. And the seaweeds are very good as well, but I will put a list of foods that you could take a look at as well. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful. Give that a try, and if you'd like to know more, and if you'd like to explore other ways of giving your energy system extra nourishment, then please do get in touch. Okay, all right, bye for now.